Today we are going to see about AIA PGET questions and answer 2020. First one, thoracic duct drains the following areas except options: left lower limb, left upper limb, right lower limb, right upper limb. Answer: right upper limb. Charcot's artery of cerebral hemorrhage is a branch of anterior cerebral artery, anterior choroidal artery, middle cerebral artery, posterior cerebral artery. Answer: middle cerebral artery. Uterine artery is a branch of which artery? Abdominal aorta, common iliac, external iliac and internal iliac. Answer: internal iliac artery. Transpyloric plane passes through: first one, body of first lumbar vertebra near its lower border, and body of second lumbar vertebra near its upper border, and midway between sternal angle and pubic symphysis and tip of 10th rib. Answer: body of first lumbar vertebra near its lower border. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, saphenous nerve is a branch of femoral nerve. Statement 2, extensor digitorum brevis is present on the dorsum of foot. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Options: both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Second option, both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Third one, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Fourth one, statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Answer: option 1, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Next one, which one of the following muscle is a flexor of elbow joint despite being supplied by an extensor nerve? Options: anconeus, brachioradialis, supinator and triceps. Answer: option 2, brachioradialis. Next one, the taste sensation from the anterior two-thirds of the tongue is transmitted through options: facial nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve, hypoglossal nerve, vagus nerve. Answer: facial nerve. Features of Cushing syndrome include options: hypoglycemia, hypotension, salt and water retention, and thickening of skin. Answer: salt and water retention. Regarding composition of bile, the gallbladder bile when compared to liver bile has options: more water, more bile salts, more calcium, more bicarbonates. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. First one, A and D only, A and B and C only, B and C only, and B, C and D only. Answer: option 3, B and C only. Next question. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason or. Assertion A: ADH is a water's insert hormone. Reason or: ADH is a polypeptide and needs receptors on the cell membrane to work on DCT. In the light of above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Options 1, A is false but R is true. Second one, A is true but R is false. Third one, both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. Fourth one, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Answer: A is false but R is true. Next one is given below are two statements. Statement 1, basophils release bradykinin, secretin, major basic protein and heparin. Statement 2, eosinophil release bradykinin, secretin, major basic protein and heparin. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Third one, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Fourth one, statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Answer: option 2, both statements 1 and 2 are incorrect. The major contributor of weight gain in the first trimester of pregnancy is fat deposition, fetal weight, placental weight, and uterine weight. Answer: fat deposition. Bone tumor arising from epiphysis is chondrosarcoma, Ewing sarcoma, Giant cell tumor of bone, and osteosarcoma. Answer: Janssen tumor of bone. Among the following, what are the changes seen in the iron deficiency anemia? Options: serum iron decreased and iron binding capacity decreased. Second one, serum iron decreased and iron binding capacity increased. And serum iron decreased and iron binding capacity normal. And serum iron increased and iron binding capacity decreased. Answer: serum iron decreased and iron binding capacity increased. Arrange the series of movements in normal labor in correct order. Restitution, external rotation, engagement, crowning, delivery of the head by extension. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. First one A, C, E, D, B, and second one B, A, D, E, C, and third one C, D, E, A, B, and fourth one D, E, A, C, B. Answer: C, D, E, A, B. Powder burns or pathognomic of which one of the following condition? 1. Chronic PID. Second option, pelvic endometriosis, TB of genital tract, and uterine fibroid. Answer: pelvic endometriosis. High risk factors for placenta previa are primigravida, smoking, maternal age above 35 years, prior curettage, and African women. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Option 1 A, B, E only. Option 2 A, C, E only. Option 3 B, C, D only. Option 4 D, C, E only. Answer: option 3 B, C, D only. A 28 years old lady presents with second trimester miscarriage. Commonest cause of the same may be autosomal trisomy, biconjugate uterus, luteal phase defect, and monosomy X. Answer: option 2 biconjugate uterus. Next one, which ringlet stones are characteristically radiolucent? First one, cystine stones, oxalate stones, phosphate stones, and uric acid stones. Answer: uric acid stones. Next one, curling ulcer is acute ulcer which develops after cerebral trauma. Next one, acute peptic ulcer which develops after major burns, and then acute peptic ulcer which develops after use of NSAID and occurs due to Helicobacter pylori infection. Answer: Acute peptic ulcer which develops after major burns. Thank you for watching Dr. Taranya Homeo.